Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today I'm going to show you my favorite seafood light soup. Yes, this is fish light soup with a lot of goodies, and I really want to share this recipe with you. So please come with me, take your seat, and let's get started. Alright friends, so to get started you're going to need few ingredients right here. Alright friends, so as you can tell we have garlic, ginger, onion and pepper, and this pepper is habanero. It's very spicy. Alright friends, so if you are not a big fan of pepper, I'm going to recommend that you use only one, okay, or even you can use less. Alright friends, so after you cut everything, transfer them into your blender, and you're going to blend everything into smooth. After you blend everything, just turn your stove on, and we're going to start making this soup. So first I add my crayfish, I add my shrimp, I'm adding herrings and also fresh brew crabs. And after that you add some salt to seasoning. And friends, with this recipe you can use any favorite seasoning of your choice. I'm using my herb seasoning and fish seasoning. Yes, so after you add everything, go ahead and dump the blend ginger, garlic, onion and pepper in here. So actually I divided that into two. I'm going to use some later. After that I'm going to add half onion and 3 large tomatoes, and also my hot pepper because I like my soup to be very spicy. So friends, after you added all your favorite seasoning, go ahead and add some water and cover and have it steam for about 10 minutes. On this side we have here red snapper, and this is going to go in the soup as well. And also I have here my red tilapia. This is the first time actually I'm using red tilapia, and in fact the result is just amazing. And I have here some fresh wild shrimp as well. So after you add everything, add a little bit of salt in here to season it, and dump some blend ginger, pepper, garlic and onion right here. So after everything is well done, make sure that you season and stir everything really well, so you get all the seasoning everywhere, because you want that taste in the soup, you know what I mean. So after everything is well done, cover and leave it to sit for about 15 minutes before you add it into your soup. So as you can tell, our soup has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Everything looks really nice and soft, especially the vegetables. So I'm going to remove all of them and transfer them into the blender, because we're going to blend them into smooth, and we're going to add it into our soup. Yes, in fact I wish you can smell this soup right here. It smells really nice. Everything looks so beautiful and delicious. This soup is gonna be really nice. So on this part I'm adding here tomato paste or tomato sauce if that's what you have, and cover and have it steam for only 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes you can go ahead and add your blended tomato, onion and pepper, and make sure that you dump a lot of water in here. So I'm adding my warm or hot water, and after that just go ahead and throw few okro or okra in here, because light soup without okro, you cannot go without it, you know what I mean. Yeah, so all the time add your okro, don't forget about it. Or if you don't like okro, that's fine. So the soup has been on the stove for about 10 minutes, so this is the perfect time to add all your fish in here. Yes, the soup is almost done. I am so happy with the results. The smell, the taste is just beyond. Everything looks really fantastic. It's just a bibia I come. So after you add all your fish and shrimp, you can let it cook for 10 minutes only, and that soup will be done. So right here I have here my chili pepper. I'm adding it on top, just to get extra spicy in this soup. Alright friends, so soup is ready. So just go ahead and get your fufu or your kenke or your rice, whatever that you want to use to enjoy this soup is up to you. In fact friends, this soup is packed with a lot of nutrition, and I really want you to make this at home. Best soup for those who are not really fan of meat. If you're looking for something really nice and healthy, you can just go ahead and try this soup friends, and you will be amazed. In fact, if you try this soup, you will never eat meat again, because that soup is really awesome. and I really want you to make for your friends and loved ones. So friends, thank you so much for your time spent watching in this video. In fact, a very food, you know, say you cannot go without it. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to share for me. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.